Welcome back to the Atharv Guruji channel. Today we will learn how to print star pattern in SQL Server. So let's get started. First we will declare one variable. Declare at the rate number of rows. Simple. Data type int and assign value is 5. So basically if you want to declare any variable in SQL, you have to use this declare and use the at the rate. After that your variable name and the data type, and you have to assign the value in that variable. Okay, now we will use while loop. While I just copy this variable name from here and is at the rate number of rows is greater than 0, then my while loop will execute begin and end. So this is basically the scope of while loop. Okay, simple. I will write here print replicate star comma at, at the rate number of rows. Simple. Here set at the rate number of rows equal to at the rate number of rows minus 1. Simple. So you have seen here one function, that is replicate. So this replicate function repeats a string a specified number of times. So for us, we have assigned the number of rows value is 5. So first time it will print 5 star. Repeat 5 star 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 5 times, and based on this value. Okay. So this value is 5. Okay. Uh, in each iteration of the loop, the declare condition is checked. If the result of the given condition is true, the SQL statement will execute this one. Okay. Else, code flow will exit the loop outside this loop. So in the layman language, if we will say like this, how this loop will work. So you see this in first iteration, what is the number of rows value? Initial, this value is 5. Okay. So 5 is greater than 0. Yes, true. It will go inside this begin and end, and it will repeat star 5 times because number of rows value is 5. And I have put here number of rows equal to number of rows minus 1. So the number of rows value now in this statement 5 minus 1 means 4. It will in the second iteration it will go here again and check 4 is greater than 0. Yes, true. Okay. Then it will print 4 star because number of rows value is 4. Okay. Now what will happen? Number of rows equal to number of rows minus 1 means 4 minus 1. The number of rows value is now 3. Okay. In third iteration it will say number of rows is value is 3. 3 is greater than 0. True. It will repeat 3 star 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 3 times because number of rows value is 3. In the in this condition it will what will do? 3 minus 1. The number of rows value is now 2. Okay. In fourth iteration number of rows value is 2. 2 is greater than 0. Yes, true. It will replicate 2 star because number of rows value is 2. Now again here number of rows equal to number of rows minus 1. 2 minus 1 means number of rows value is 1. In the fifth iteration number of rows value is greater than 0 means 1 is greater than 0. True. Replicate 1 star because number of rows value is 1. Okay. Now here number of rows equal to number of rows minus 1 means 1 minus 1. The number of rows value is now 0. In the sixth iteration it will check number of rows is value is greater than 0. 0 is greater than 0. No, false. So it will exit from this loop. Simple. If I will not put this condition, then it will become infinite loop, because 5 always remain 5, number of rows value will remain 5. So 5 is always greater than 0, so it will become an infinite loop. That will show you after this execution. So let me check what is the output of this. Simple. Just click here, execute. See, in first row 5 star, in second row 4 star, in third row 3 star, in fourth row 2 star, in the last row 1 star. Actually you are seeing here I have not put it any space after my star, that's why these all star are coming without space. If you want to add the space, you just put here. Let me execute it again. Simple. And I'm saying if I will not put this, then it will become infinite loop. Let me show you. See, simple. I just execute this. See, executing query. It is running. Okay. So we will not running this. I just stop this. See, 5 star, 5 star, 5 star. Because number of rows value will always remain 5. That's why we have put it this statement. So now I'm again run this. See, simple. So guys, don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.